Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Canva to Make.com. First, go to the Make.com website and make sure you're logged into your account. Now click on Create a new scenario to start building your automation. Click on the plus icon to add your first app. Then, search for Canva in the search bar and click on it when it appears. You'll see several options. Click on Create a design to start. Now, click on Create a connection to link your Canva account. Enter a connection name to help you recognize this connection later. Then click on Save. A pop-up will appear. Click Allow to give Make.com permissions to access your Canva account. Next, enter the folder ID and image ID. You can get this from your Canva account if you already have content set up. Then enter a title for your design. Now choose a design type like Instagram post, presentation, logo, etc. Enter the width and height for your design in pixel. Finally, click on Save. Your Canva account is connected and you're ready to use it in your Make.com automation scenario. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.